Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you are very welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's tutorial is about this look. Yes, I started off using my loose powder from Floma to set my brows, and I'm just brushing my brow into place with the help of a spoolie brush. Now I'm using my pencil to draw a line underneath my natural brow, and I'm drawing another line at the top part of it to meet the first line I drew. And the pencil I'm using is from Cosmetic Art brow pencil in the shade black and brown. Now I'm just brushing both shades together, if that makes sense. Now I'm using my concealer from BH Cosmetics foundation and concealer palette to clean my brow. Please, if you are a beginner, I will advise you clean your brow as gentle as you can. And whenever you do a mistake while cleaning your brow, you can always go back with your pencil to correct that out. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below and click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now I'm done with my brow, just checking if they look like sisters or do they look like enemies. Now I'm just using a brush, a fluffy brush, to blend the excess concealer into my skin. Going in with this concealer from AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Tan as my eyeshadow base. So now I'm just blending that in, just like so. So using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, I'll be using the shade Henna as my transitional shade. And I'll be extending it in the corners of my eye. So adding a little bit of a concealer on my lid to help my eyeshadow pop. My lid eyeshadow color pop, if that makes sense. So going in with this shade as my lid shade, and I'm tapping that with my finger. I'll be going in with the shade Cocoa from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm concentrating that in my crease at the exact same place where when my lid shade ended, so that there won't be any harsh lines between the two shades. Going in with a eyeliner pen from Floma to line my eye. Yes, so if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe down below. And if you have not seen my last tutorial, I have a very detailed lash tutorial. I'll leave a card up here. You can click on the card after you finish watching this video to check that tutorial out. It's very detailed. So using Day Sponge primer to prime my face, and I love this primer because it mattifies my skin within minutes. My skin is matte and my skin is matte. So if you have oily skin, you can try this primer out. Going in with my foundation from Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Foundation in the shade 360, which is Mocha. Yes. Blend, oh. Blend as if your life depends on it. Blend. Blend. And remember to blend it down to your neck area. So just keep on blending. Please, if you have not seen my previous videos, I'll leave a link down the description box. Using my concealer from Floma Cosmetics, full perfect coverage concealer, and AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Coltan. The perfect coverage concealer is in the shade Dark, and that shade is similar to my skin tone. That's why I'm mixing the Coltan with it. And I mix a little bit of the coltan, not much, a little bit of the coltan. And these are the places where I want to highlight. As you can see, my forehead, my under eye, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. This is like the 5th time I'm recording a voiceover on this particular video. Guys, the struggle is real. So if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below. I mean, subscribe. Oh, it's free, painless. What again? Priceless, free. Now I'm blending my highlight, my highlight on my forehead, if that makes sense. Using my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony to contour my face. Yes. The bridge of my nose. So now I'm basically blending my contoured area. Please do forgive the noise in my background. My washing machine is actually making noise. It's making noise. Please blend. Oh, I mean, blend as if your life depends on it. Blend. Blend. Now I'm using my foundation brush, flat foundation brush, to blend my nose contouring. My nose contour. Now using my powder from Floma Cosmetics in the shade Light Sand to set the places where I highlighted. My under eye, my forehead, the bridge. I mean, I didn't set the bridge of my nose. Or did I? My smile lines. My smile lines. Using this Nikak Dual Contour powder. This powder has suffered, it has suffered from diarrhea. To set the places where I contoured. Yeah, so I'm now going in with my blush from Nikak Dual. So guys, my highlighter is my all-time favorite from none other than the Catrice, the Ultimate Chrome Highlighter. I'm in love. I'm in love with this highlighter. You see that glow? Yes, you see that glow? That's how we glow. So just using a little amount. And remember to highlight your brow bone. Setting my face with the NYX matte setting spray. Set everything, everything, set it well. So going in with my beauty blender to further blend everything. Dab the setting spray into your skin using my pencil from Forever 52 Cosmetics coal black pencil. Now I'm going in with the same pencil I used to fill in my brows to outline my lips, just like so. And I'm just using my lip gloss from Pretty by Floma in the shade Pretty. So to kind of give my lips a little bit of shimmery effect, I went in with my highlighter. Not the same highlighter I used, but a different shade from the palette to give my lip a shimmery effect. Voila, guys. Remember to clean your lip with a concealer after you finish applying your lipstick. So with the help of a mascara, I'll just curl my natural lashes with